Hey guys. All right, just a quick video to go over biased questions. You've already seen a couple videos on why we have questions, how we get a good random sample using a survey. Well, questions make up a survey, and we've all done those online surveys. They can be kind of fun. So I wanted to show you, before we get into biased questions here, I wanted us to go over some of the fun things that we do online. So BuzzFeed, got to be careful on there. But this is just a survey that I found on BuzzFeed. Which Andy Bashir quote are you? So I thought this was kind of relevant for what we have going on right now. So pick a spot to practice #social distancing while stuck at home. I want you to think about the survey questions as I go through this. My favorite, I think, gee, it's hard to say. Probably the couch. How are you passing time these days? Tiger King. Pick an NTI subject you hate the most. Dun, dun, dun. Better not say that one. Oh gosh. Don't tell Mr. Melvin. Pick a shade of green to light up the governor's mansion. That's lovely. On a scale from 1 to Andy, how much of a #patriot are you? My home, body, and spirit have never been cleaner. I like this one. Finally, which slide do you want Kenneth to pull up the most? Confirmed number of cases slide for me, for sure. So then I get this. You can't be doing that. From shutting down bingo halls to, oh my, Pike County bingo halls, to leisurely Target runs, you mean the Walmarts. You have no problem from being firm and direct with people and letting you know that they aren't doing a very good job. #Team Kentucky. Yeah, social distancing, guys. All right, so going back to biased questions. A biased question happens when you can pick up on a right or wrong answer. So think about what that means. How would a survey question be written that you might get the idea that, hey, maybe I should say this or shouldn't say that? So let's take a look at these examples. Do you prefer candy bars with nuts or without nuts? Think about how you might answer that question. Look at example 2. Do you think candy bars with nuts are far more tasty than plain, tasteless candy bars without nuts? Now, how might you answer that question? I'm going to say nuts because they're far more tasty. Let's take a look at this. Far more tasty than plain, tasteless candy bars. Well, yuck, I don't want to be a plain, tasteless person. I'm going to go with nuts. Do you see how this is a biased example of a biased survey question? Because it kind of tells you, hey, there's a right or wrong answer. And then most people are going to answer the right way, yeah? Look at this question. Do you think Mrs. Baker is the worst teacher in the world or just the worst teacher at PHS? You have two answer choices here. The worst teacher in the world or the worst teacher at PHS. There might be somebody out there that thinks I'm a good teacher. Is that even an option for this question? No, this is a bad survey question because it is biased. So what I want you to do is go through the Quizizz link. Answer the questions. Are they biased or unbiased? Please pay attention to these survey questions. Hope you guys are doing great.